Okay, everybody, this is it. This is your last chance. If you have a CBRS on the Helium Mobile Network, you have got to trade it in now. That's right, the trade-in, the CBRS to Wi-Fi trade-up. It is time. If you don't do it in the next 7 days, if you don't go in and apply for it, then you're not going to have the opportunity to get a free hotspot. Now, how many hotspots you have depends on which antennas you have set up. But I got my 4 right here. This is what I got from them. I got them a couple weeks ago, but it is really snowy outside, and it's I'm not going to go out there and hurt myself quite yet in order to get them on the roof. But I plan to put 3 on my roof and triangulate them so they go 3 separate 120-degree directions, and then I'm going to take 2 and put them on my sister-in-law's balcony because those are the only places I have for it. Is it worth doing right away and putting on your roof? Probably not. But I'm going to do it because what else am I going to do with these? That said, though, the bigger question I'm sure you have is what are you going to do with your CBRS? Because I've looked around, there doesn't seem to be anybody that wants them, right? At least not anybody that is doing a depin project. Or so I thought. Now, last night, I decided to go up to Boulder for a little pre-event for ETH Denver. For any of you who don't know about that, that's happening next week. And I met with somebody who actually has a use for these CBRSs. So I'm trying to work something out, man. Talking to them, seeing if we can all join on that and make some crypto through them. But if you want to do that and you have a bunch, let me know. I'm very curious. Do you have them? Are they now in your basement? Are they still on your roof? Do you have them somewhere at a gas station or on top of a mall? Where are they located? I would love to know. So if you do have some and you're like, yes, I need that depin project to connect them to now, please put your information on the comments below and do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's definitely always appreciated. Okay. That said, though, I haven't really got the real info about it quite yet, so I don't want to tell you about it. I will post something next week, so please watch for it about that. But until then, for those of you who haven't done the trade up, please do. So to be clear, Helium is giving up on CBRS. Quite frankly, I wonder if they're just hanging on by a thread right now. I don't know what's going on with them. And when they gave up on CBRS around the same time, they also gave up on the mobile token. So that mobile token for those early adopters who got their CBRSs set up back in like 2022 and had been making all of that mobile coin, I hope you sold it. I didn't. I'm dumb. And because it's like worth nothing now and it's just going down and down, I'm hoping for that bull run that it'll come up a little and then to sell right then. But besides that, I don't know what to do with it. If you know what to do with it, please let me know. Are you going to invest it in HNT or just buy some Solana with it? I'm at that point right now where I'm like, yeah, I'm just going to buy some Solana with it because I don't know what to do with it. But in the meantime, let's talk about the trade up. So as it says here, trade up options. All CBRS radios that earn rewards between August 1st of 2024 and November 1st of 2024 qualify for the following replacements. So if you had one of those CBRS indoors, you can replace it with one hotspot that's for the indoor. If you had a Nova 430, which is what I had, you can either get an indoor or outdoor hotspot. And if you had a Nova 436 outdoor, which is what I had, you can get 3 indoor or outdoor hotspots. And I chose, because I had the Nova 430 and the Nova 436, I got 4 outdoor hotspots because I don't even know what I do with the indoor ones at this point. So, how to trade up. You got to log in to your Helium dashboard with the wallet that's affiliated with your radio and head to the TradeUp portal. So if you don't know how to do that, I can show you, but you basically click on that Helium dashboard link right there and you connect it to your wallet. And then from there, once it's connected to your wallet and knows that it's the wallet that is affiliated with those particular radios, you'll be linked to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can enter all your information for the trade up and choose which of the hotspots you want. So I would do that now, but let's just go through the common questions because I think that's the important part. Some of you have questions, and the big one is what I was saying before. How long will my CBRS radios continue to work? CBRS radios will be deactivated as trade-up requests are processed or by March 1st. So you have until March 1st and then it's over. Now, as soon as they shipped these out, actually I don't even know if it was exactly when they shipped these out, but right around that time, my radios went out. It was done. It was over with and I shut everything down. So if it's not going to be shut down by that point when they're sending it out to you, it will be shut down by March 1st. So you might as well ask for the trade up. I did. I got them very quickly. If you send it in right now, it'll probably be in a day or two. Your radios will be shut off and you will know, oh, okay, they're getting shipped. As of 11:59 p.m., which I don't know, it says p.m., so I'm going to assume that's Pacific time. But February 28th, 2025, all remaining CBRS radios will go offline and not receive any additional awards. So, doesn't matter now. This is it. Game over. Those of you who waited till the last minute because you wanted to receive a little extra rewards, I get it, but we're 7 days in. So if you want to wait till the day of February 28th so you can maximize that time, I get that, but honestly, I would do it in the next couple of days, or at least do it Monday, right? Because no one works on the weekends. Okay, what can I do with my CBRS radios after March 1st? CBRS radio owners will be able to reflash their radio firmware to a generic stock version, and after this, they can be sold or applied to a variety of CBRS use cases. They have no use cases. Right now, these are being sold like crazy on eBay, used ones for a dime a dozen. This is why I'm saying to you, well, to be clear, March 1st is what they're saying. I'm going to plug mine back in and it should reflash my radio back to generic. And that's actually a really good thing because I was talking to the guy I mentioned last night and he said if it is reflashed, it's really easy to hook it on to his network. Yeah, we did talk in detail. So I'm really excited about that, but I do have to wait till March 1st for it. Okay, what happens if I paid a SAS fee past the CBRS shutoff date? Any SAS fees prepaid past March 1st will be refunded pro rata. Well, I didn't get prorated on mine. They shut off mine a couple weeks ago. I didn't get prorated for it, so I don't really believe them. It's a nice thing to believe, but I didn't get it. I paid $30 and then 3 days in they shut it off. So, yeah. Will my Freedom 5 gateway continue to work? Yes, it's still going to work, but they're going to go off. They will still remain online after January 1st. Basically, they're done, right? Then they're not going to go online anymore, and they're not going to be supported anymore. And honestly, guys, it's just an IoT device by this point. I shut mine off. I have so many IoT devices. I don't need the Freedom 5. I'm still bitter about all that. I don't even want to get into it. Somebody offered to give me a Freedom 5 way back in like 2021. If I gave them all of my Bobcat miners that took 8 months to show up, and I didn't give it to them. I should have done it. Why didn't I do it? Wouldas, shouldas, couldas, right? Okay. How do I know if my radio qualifies for the Hotspot Trader program? Again, it says it had to be activated between August 1st, 2024 and November 1st, 2024. It'll appear in your dashboard, the option to trade up. So that's the big thing. If it doesn't appear in your dashboard with the option to trade up, you probably don't qualify. I've applied for my trade up. When will it be shipped? Yeah, because you know what? They don't send you shipping information. So trade up requests are being processed on a weekly basis. In order of submission, you'll receive an email confirmation when your request has been processed. You kind of do, but they don't send you like a tracking number or any detailed information. And quite honestly, you know, because your system gets shut off. So, hey, I just wanted to remind you guys, that's the only reason I made this video, to remind you, and not only that, let you know that I may have found somebody. And they even said that they're going to pay those SAS fees that we just talked about. Hopefully. I'm still talking to them a little more about it. I really don't want to say much more until I know that this is an opportunity that is solid. Because that's a big thing for me, guys. I mean, I do a lot of research on a lot of depin projects, and some of them I just don't find solid, and I don't move forward with it. And maybe I should tell you about those when I'm testing them and that they don't work out for me. I don't always. I will try more, assuming you do subscribe to my channel. So please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care and stay warm.